Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najia Falisha bint Azizan. So today I want to present about project management. So before I'm presenting my presentation, I want to introduce my group mate, which are Muhammad Farhad, Muhammad Farhin, Faizul Nabila, and Nurul Ain Najia. So today I want to present about project management. So in the project management, we have learned 3 P's, which are planning, scheduling, and controlling. So we also provide some data in our activities such as a network and Gantt chart in the slide to give you guys know about our process to settle our assignment. So in the 3 P's of project management, we have planning, scheduling, and controlling. So in the planning, we have objective, resources, work breakdown, and organization. So in the objective, we have to plan that we achieve the target to complete the assignment before the due date that we have stated by our lecturer. So second is about resources. So we have to plan for search about the resources in the internet about the company that we have interest, which is for the company to know about the background of the company. So third is work breakdown schedule. So in the scheduling, we plan to give a breakdown scheduling to our group mate, so the task can be complete more quickly. So lastly is the organization. So we have to plan the organization in our teammate to help each other to complete the task. So secondly is about scheduling. So in the scheduling, we have project activities, start and end times, and network. So in the project activity, we have made a Gantt chart that show about the scheduling we do our assignment. So in other slide, you guys can look about the scheduling we complete the task. So second is about start and end times. So in the schedule, it show the start and end times for doing the assignment. So it show the duration for our member to complete the task. So the lastly is about network. So it means in the network, we know that what time we want to start the assignment and what the time that we have to end and complete the assignment. And lastly is about controlling. So in the controlling, we have the group leader that will complete reviews and nation to control our assignment project. So the first point is planning. So in the planning, we have before we start the project and assignment, we list all the activities to manage the task efficiently and keep the teammate keep doing their own tasks. Then we study the question and do research for the question we got. Next, we decide tasks and make a group discussion. Then we make a task based on assignment question, which are process strategy, design of good, managing quality, and layout strategy. Then after finish this task, we complete all the project in one report. And lastly, before submit the report to our lecturer, we will check it first to avoid any error or wrong information. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Farihin. Today I'm gonna talk about scheduling. Scheduling is involved sequencing and allotting time to all projects. Okay, next one is manager decide how long each activity will take and compute the resources. Okay, the last one is purpose of scheduling. What is in the purpose of scheduling? The first one is show the relationship of each activities. The second one is identify the precedence relationship. The third one is encourage the settings of realistic time and cost estimate each activity. And the last one is help make better use of people, money, and material resources by identifying critical bottlenecks. Okay, thank you. That's from me about scheduling.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ain Najia. So today I will explain about the table of controlling. From the slide, we can see the immediate predecessor, right? So immediate predecessor is what you must do first to do to the next task. Okay, now I will proceed. For task A, B, and C, which is form a group member, study the question, and discuss and choose the company. We'll start first, so there's no need predecessor. So after task ABC that I have taught before, the task D can be made, which is which is divide task. So after task D finish, task E will be start. So the task E that at the slide is group meeting discussion. So furthermore, task FGHI, which is process strategy, design of good and managing quality, and also layer stress strategy, can be start after task E finish. Next, task J, which is compile task, will be start after FGHI finish, and task K, which is last check and submit, will be start after task J finish, and the end of the task is task K. Okay, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamid Rizam. Okay, I will present to you about the perform critical path analysis. Okay, in our project, we have 11 activities. Okay, the first one is form a group members. Okay, for us, it takes only 1 week to form a group member. Okay, and then study the question, also 1 week. Discuss and choose the company, also 1 week. And then we divide tasks for us, also 1 week. After that, we do a group meeting discussion to after divide tasks, and we do research together, also takes 1 week. And then we do our own tasks like process strategy. It's quite long, we take 3 weeks. And then design of goods, 2 weeks. And then managing quality, 2 weeks also. Next, layout strategy. Yeah, it's quite long, 3 weeks. And then we compile tasks, only 1 week. And last one is we do last check and submit, and it's quite easy and takes 1 week only. Okay, in our project we do AON network. Okay, we start from zero week, and then we divide into 3 sections, A, B, C, that takes 1 week. And then after we done of 3 sections, activities, we proceed to the D process, that also takes 1 week. And then we go to the E process, that also takes 1 week, so it becomes 3 weeks to settle all of that. Okay, and then after the E process, we go to the FGHI process that have different weeks. So after that, we go to the J process, that the result takes 7 weeks. And then we do the K, which means the compile. We do last check and submit, so also takes 1 week. And the final result for the total of the weeks is 8 weeks. So, and then we do backward to check if we calculating in accurate numbers. So yeah, it is true. We only takes 8 weeks to settle all of our project. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah Izan Abdullah binti Rizan. So my part is ESEF Gantt chart. So at the week first, we form a group member, we study the question, and we discuss and choose company. At the week 2, we divide the task and meeting with the group member. For the week 3, 4, and 5, we start to make a process strategy. Week 3 and 4, we design of goods and managing the quality. At week 3, 4 and 5 again, we start to lay out the strategy. At the week 6, we compile the tasks and we check and submit at the week 7. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farizana Bilan. So my part is PERT and CPM. It is define the project and prepare the work breakdown structure. It develop the relationship among all the activities. It draw the network connection all the activities. It is assign time, cost to estimate to each activity. It is compute the longest time part through the network. It use the network to help plan, schedule, monitor, and control the project. It is also a straightforward concept and not mathematical complex. It is critical part and select time analysis to help pinpoint activity that need to be closely watched.